Hey guys, Dr. Frank here with Northtown Chiropractic and Injury Rehab. As promised, videos for you guys to help you out while everyone's going through this coronavirus pandemic. So one of the big things that crossed my mind that I usually see a lot of this time of the year is people coming in with low back pain or neck pain after sneezing or coughing. So here's a really quick and simple tip for everyone. If you're worried that you're about to sneeze, or let's say you get sick, and keep something in mind, there's a lot of just normal respiratory illness and our normal viral infections going around here at the end of cold and flu season as is. So if you find yourself sick and you find yourself sneezing and coughing and things like that, here's something very important to consider. When you go to sneeze, sometimes people have these really big, exaggerated sneezes, right? Where the achoo, and then they knock everything in sight over, right? So let's try and not do that right now during this time. Before you sneeze, I want you to be conscious about your body mechanics and your awareness, okay? So yes, I want you to practice, sneezing to your arm or whatever it is, right? Safe things like that. But more so, I want you to brace yourself. So what do I mean by that? Before you sneeze, before you cough, just tell yourself in your head, okay, I'm going to sneeze, and then, achoo, like that, right? Coughing, try and brace your core. All of you guys who work out here with us at Dr. Derek's Health and Fitness Center, remember all that core bracing that you guys practiced? Practice doing that to the best of your ability when you're going through a coughing or a sneezing fit. I cannot tell you the amount of injuries that we see, and usually it's a disc herniation or a disc bulge in the low back from people sneezing in this excessive, uncontrolled manner, or coughing, going through coughing fits in an uncontrolled manner. So again, start to be aware of your body mechanics if you're sneezing or coughing, okay? I don't want you guys to get a disc herniation. And I've seen people give themselves whiplash in their neck after sneezing, violently sneezing. So keep that in mind. In the event that you do find yourself with acute low back pain and numbness and tingling going down your legs, call our offices immediately, okay? We are taking free phone consultations for existing and non-existing patients. We want you guys to avoid the urgent care centers. We want you guys to avoid the ER, especially if it's musculoskeletal pain, because this is going to be viewed as a non-urgent matter, okay? And then you're going to be exposing yourself to people who might have something else going on. So call our offices. We'll help you out. We'll help you with the diagnosis and an at-home treatment, or if we're open, we will make an offer to bring you in, of course. So keep those things in mind, okay? Good luck. Be cautious while you're sneezing.